What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, still, as we've said numerous times, Brain had the really nice, this is like such a technical chart, we love looking at it every single time that we cover this project. You can see here the massive coil up, the breakout, the back test, and we're just heading to the upside here. And as you can see, looking as though we have finally broken this little range that we have formed for Polygon, at least, potentially looking like we might be rolling over. You can see here that we have drawn this range in for a good while here. Highs and lows being tested. We got the breakout, but we fell back inside the range, retested as resistance. So we come back down to the bottom of the range, bottom of the range, bottom of the range, top of the range. And then as you can see, we've come down here. We've actually kind of, we're just chopping it up in and around the bottom of the range here, trying to decide what to do. Now, as we said previously, we have seen Polygon every single time that it's pumped up, it does come back down and retest these previous swing highs. And you can see this previous swing high here at 222 hasn't actually fully been retested yet. We do need to see, the price action coming back down like this, going back down, getting the bounce in this area. Because it's clear to us that, every single time that Polygon has headed up, it has come down, retested the support and got a very nice bounce. You can see it if we just come back across here, pretty much every time that we have come up. There's this 180 swing high. We did say this was always going to be a very prevalent level. We'll come all the way down, back to the upside. We basically retest this area here as support numerous times. Obviously with the wider market rolling over in November, we did see us coming down lower. But eventually what happened was we come back up, made a new local swing high, and you can see we come back down again and again and again here. 3 times that we found support again on that previous swing high of 180. This was obviously a resistance here, but once we got the breakout of this big coil in motion and the back test, we start making our way to the upside, up the stairs. You can see here these 3 points here where we retested that previous swing high here at 180 as support, which is obviously critical for continuation. And you can see that's exactly what happened. And then we also formed that swing high at 222, which we now want to really see be back tested, don't we? This is something we've been talking about with Polygon over the past few days. We do think that it's really critical that this happens so that we can get, that cooling off before continuation. Not that Polygon needs cooling off right now. It's currently sitting at extremely fair value. The volume is actually tapering off as well. We're just trickling to the downside like a lot of cryptos are. The volume in the markets over the past week has been very low. But we do think, as January, we start to get to mid-January, people are going to start getting back into the crypto space. And, the price of Polygon is probably going to come down, get some decent volume, and then get a pickup off that previous swing high, which we do think is probably going to be the case. So overall, Polygon looking really strong, made a recent all-time high of 293 after breaking that previous all-time high after a very extended period. And we do think it's probably likely now that we're seeing potentially the breakdown of this range here, that we could see, a nice little move to the downside followed by a pick-me-up, which would obviously be really great to see. So really not that much to say about Polygon today. You can see, obviously, you've got some bullish divergences down here, so we could see a temporary, renaissance back into this range here. But overall, we'd say, realistically, Polygon looking really strong. And with the breakdown of this range, we're probably going to see, at least retesting of this level. So short-term price predictions are exactly that. If we, we lose this level, retest as resistance, we will be coming back down to that 222 level here, which was that previous swing high that we talked about. And then beyond that, as we said previously, very likely in our opinion that we're going to be probably heading back up to the upside once we get a bounce in this area, coming back into this range. And then if we head into the upside and we don't break down, then we're probably going to be heading up to around that 270 level at the top of the range, back towards the all-time high. And then obviously beyond that, we've got some nice fib targets. We've got the 127 there coming in at around that $4 mark, which we do think is highly possible. We've always said $5 to $10 by the end of the bull run for Polygon. It's now sitting at around, I believe, a $20 billion market cap, which is pretty, amazing to see. We do think Polygon can do better than that, though. And it's only around a 4x from the current price to around that $10 mark, which would obviously be incredible. It's around, $80 billion market cap, which is quite high. But if you think that Ethereum is probably going to be over $1 trillion by the end of the bull run, Solana, Avalanche, they could easily be over $100 billion market caps in our opinion. Obviously, Cardano, Polkadot probably going to be significantly higher. So for Polygon, this could be, entirely possible. I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.